Hey programmers, welcome back to CODEITUP with HRISHAV. So, facing some kind of this issue? No problem, we'll sort it out. But let's first see why this issue is occurring. Because this issue is occurring because we have pip installed in a PC, but the interpreter is not able to find it because it's not in the path. So follow my steps and solve this issue. So for that, type python here and open its file location, then open its file location too, open file location. Then we have reached into the folder where we had installed python. So for this, copy this folder's address and type this PC in the search bar, this PC, and go to its properties. We are basically just helping the interpreter to find out where the pip is installed. So go to advanced system settings, environment variables, and click on path and click on edit. Okay, and in edit click new and paste that address location we copied earlier, then click OK, and then again go to the folder and open the scripts file. Okay, and as you can see our pip is installed here, so it will be sorted out. And copy this location too, and again go to system properties, edit it, and add a new variable and paste it here. So paste, okay, and okay. So just so this will solve your issue, and just in case if it does not work, restart your PC and get rid of this issue for your lifetime. So do subscribe, stay connected, and I'll see you next time.